Hey guys, so just picked this up from TJ Maxx yesterday for just under $9. It's the MH-6 Little Bird. They're calling it the Nightstalker from the U.S. Army brand, and comes with this figure. It looks like Chat May, but the helicopter itself looks awesome. So that machine gun moves, and I will unbox here and take a look and set some of my other figures around it, see what that looks like. Voila. Okay. So, okay, sweet. Okay, here she is. So, pretty good detail, honestly. This goes in and out, and you can see the ammunition right there. I like that gold color that they did on that. These move around too, which is cool. The only thing is, I mean, the figure's 1/18 scale, and I can probably cram some of my smaller decor Leonard figures in here, but it's not a great fit. But it's still going to look good once I just line everything up from a diorama standpoint. So here's the front angle of that. So that's kind of cool right there. And there's actually a little bit of detail there in the cockpit, which is neat. And I'm gonna not let this thing run completely through, but when I click this button, it does light up. It just lights up for and makes sounds for like 30 seconds almost. So I'll just give you a little glimpse. Something else that I noticed, so if you notice the Chat May figures, grenades and smoke bombs or whatever that is, they have not changed that in like 20 years, because this is one that I grew up with and it's literally the same. It's just different colors. Look how old this guy is. I've had him forever. Even the face is the same. Everything's the same actually. So come on, guys, we can get some newer updates to the gear for sure. But just want to point that out. Interesting. And just to do a size comparison of the Little Bird, it is a Little Bird indeed. This is next to the Black Hawk here. Pretty significant. Very agile, quick. I'm liking it. I'm starting to like it more and more. Okay, so there you have it. There's an MH Little Bird with the little army figure, and I'm gonna surround some of my other guys around this and take some pretty cool shots, so stay tuned.